Hi guys, how are you today? Well, I hope you're doing great. Me, I'm doing great. Just came back from a beautiful, great church service, and I'm all charged up, and I got the joy of the Lord in me. And so just wanted to update you on my van today. Yesterday, Saturday, I was driving, and all of a sudden the dreaded check engine light came on. And so instead of freaking out right away, I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to check on a couple of things. You know, when the check engine comes on, that means that could mean millions of things. And so it could be as simple as the gas tank cover, and it could go up from there. So I'm not gonna panic just yet, and I'm gonna try to do a couple of things myself. The only things that I could do simple things. I'm not a mechanic. So first thing I'm gonna do is to change the air filter, because that could trigger check engine light, or the gas tank cap. I'm gonna try to see if that's the problem, and if not, I just gonna go to a mechanic. I have a mechanic friend. He's gonna read the engine's computer for me, and we go from there. And let me see if it's gonna happen again today. So as you can see, the car sounds pretty good. It goes on quickly, and but yeah, the light is still on. So we're gonna have to hook up a reader to the engine's computer and try to diagnose the problem. I will keep you guys updated. How are you? What's that, baby? The dreaded engine light.
Emission system leak detected.
So that's it, guys. The problem has been taken care of, and the check engine light is off. I brought it to Ed over here, my mechanic, and he hooked up his code reader into the engine's computer, and he read that it was the gas tank cap that was the problem, and he reset it, so the engine light went off. It wasn't a major problem, and that is good, and I thank God that I did not freak out when I saw the light come on, because I wasn't gonna solve any problems by just freaking out. So I stayed calm, and I was just gonna face the problem as they come. And you know, thank God in this case it wasn't a major issue with the engine. It was just a minor gas tank cap cover problem that we took care of it. He reset it with his code reader, and so that's it. I dodged the bullet this time, and yeah, try not to freak out as soon as you see check engine light come on, because it could be just nothing. Like in my case, I didn't even have to pay anything. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. It's Sunday. I'm gonna go find me some good food and just enjoy this beautiful, glorious day. I hope you guys have a glorious day as well, and stay cool, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, share my videos. Let's become friends, and let's share moments and experiences. This was my experience today I wanted to share with you, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you guys soon. Did I tell you I named her Orion, and I tattooed her with the Sharpie, the Orion constellation? And so yeah, we were talking about the check engine, and I took care of it. I think I'm gonna do another test just to make sure the light is off. I took it to my mechanic, and he reset the light there for me, and let's see if the check engine light now stays off, which it does, and that's good news. That's happy news for me. That's music to my ear, and I thank the Lord that the good Lord on this Sunday was with me.